Hello. What is sour orange poked petroleum? Petroleum is oil. Sour orange is grapefruit. Oh, and you have it. Ta-da! Poke 'cause you... Okay, it's infused. That's the grapefruit peel. You dry it, and then you grind it. And it turns into a powder. And they're all different colors because each one has different... They're all so good. I'm not a doctor, so look into what the grapefruit peel is good for. It has so many properties. This oil is right now only for external use because I used vitamin E oil and sunflower seed oil, which that one's like delicious when you bake and cook with it. But let's back it up to this. But it's pretty simple. The powder of the grapefruit, and do it the hard way because life isn't hard enough already. You get the idea. And then you pour the oil, and this is good for your skin. It smells good. It does like so many good things. You're glowing. You're like, yes, queen. It will take a while for it to penetrate all of it, but it's fun to watch. It looks like a lava lamp, but a very slow. Did I say slow? Like despacito. Yeah. That. Now you see how it's done. I think I showed that already. Oh, and I spilled everywhere. When you spill stuff like this, don't necessarily go right away with, oh, I have to get the rug, I have to clean it up. No. Then you put chemicals on it and stuff. Unless you have really, okay, it's paperwork, I have to get going. No. Do it. Otherwise, look. Yes, what a waste. Ugh. I didn't clean it up, and seriously, all over. And wait until it gets into your skin. What do you have to lose? It's like common sense. And then once it goes down, you're gonna have to add more. It's like, oh mine. It's like taking it all in. Yeah, and then in the end it will look like baby food. See, it like bubbled up. There's the lava lamp. Woo. But yeah, don't eat that. Don't that baby food. Baby food in general, like, it's nasty. Unless you make it. Maybe I'll make it one day. I'll make some tasty one. And then you put it in, like, in the dark, in one of the cabinets in the dark for about, let's say, 2 weeks. For tinctures, you keep it under, like, away for it to, get acquainted and everything for 40 days. This one you just need like 2 weeks, and then it would clear. When you need it, you just like get a strainer. Woo! See that? It's clear. Now we're gonna do the maracas, like this way, that way, this way, a few times. So whenever you remember, oh, okay, I have to mix my tinctures and my oils. And if you make sauerkraut, that one has to be taken care of as well. Ooh, I may show that. But that smells bad. It's good for you though, the probiotics. Yeah, that helps when you're in the kitchen. Ooh, let me turn it. I should have put in a different container, but at the time I didn't have any. So that was, you work with what you have.